Every building begins with time, labor, and countless resources. But traditional construction is often slow, material-intensive, and expensive. What if buildings could be constructed faster, stronger, and with greater precision? Introducing high-strength fiber-reinforced concrete 3D printing technology, developed by scientists at CSIR-Structural Engineering Research Center, CSIR-SERC. This innovative technology combines a high-strength cementitious mix with uniformly dispersed fibers. As the material is printed, the fibers reinforce every layer, creating stronger and more reliable structures. The result is concrete with compressive strength exceeding 70 megapascals, improved crack resistance, enhanced durability, and superior interlayer bonding. Construction time can be reduced by up to 50%, while significantly lowering labor requirements and improving overall construction efficiency.
So here we can see that this building, the total size of this building is almost 400 square feet. And you can see this is actually having an arch shape of construction. So if we are using a normal construction technology, we are not able to use some unique special designs like this. And the other problem is, like, basically we want to have the formwork, and then we require also skilled manpower to have such kind of designs. So this 3D printed technology facilitates us to actually reproduce same type of designs and also do a large scale construction. Such type of construction can be done over midnight. So this building was basically installed overnight, where the 9 portal frames, which you can see that this total building was divided into 9 portal frames.
From residential buildings and infrastructure to modular construction and disaster relief shelters, this technology is designed for speed, flexibility, and resilience. By combining advanced materials with digital construction, this technology is shaping a smarter, stronger, and more sustainable future for the construction industry.